Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to dropship AliExpress. First of all, in the AliExpress application you should search for products with good reviews, reliable seller and fast shipping. And for your convenience I recommend you saving the links of the product that you want to sell. And then you should set up your own online store using external platforms. For example, it could be TikTok shop, Instagram shop, Amazon, whatever suits you the best. And when your store is ready, upload the photos of the product and write clear and simple description in your own words. Then set a price that covers the AliExpress cost, shipping of the item, and of course your profit. And when a customer places an order in your shop, go back to AliExpress and place the order using your customer's name and shipping address. And AliExpress will ship the item directly to your customer. And you don't need to hold any inventory. That's why dropshipping on AliExpress is very convenient thing. All you need to do is provide your customer with tracking information and handle any questions if they come up as fast as possible. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.